यत्र तत्र सर्वत्र हम है सर्वव्यापी। भारतीय तटरक्षक, संरक्षक और साथी। तेल, मत्स्य, खनिज और समुद्र का उफान, सबकी सुरक्षा के लिए लुटा देते हैं हम जान। तैयार, तत्पर, जवाब दे, देश की आन बान और शान। भारतीय तटरक्षक, वयम रक्षाम। Here, there, and everywhere. Being omnipresent is no easy task, but when the security of the country, the well-being of coastal dwellers, and delicate ecological balance of the land and the sea are at stake, there can be no half measures. We are the guardians. We are the protectors. On sea, in the air, and from the land, we are truly Sarvatra. Be it answering a call for help, or preventing extremists, guarding our resources, or saving the environment, braving raging seas or enemy bullets, we do what we are best at. We protect. Tasked with the responsibility of being the guardian of India's long coastline, we keep more than 2.37 million square kilometers of India's exclusive economic zone safe and secure. Nothing escapes our watchful eyes. Our vessels, our air power, and our personnel are all ever vigilant and everywhere. हर तरफ प्रत्यक्ष हैं हमारे विमान और जहाज, हाजिर हो जाएंगे जहां से बुलाएगी आवाज। तैयार, तत्पर, जवाब दे, देश की आन बान और शान। भारतीय तटरक्षक, वयम रक्षाम। Each of us has stood the test of time before becoming worthy of the honor that we protect. Serving shoulder to shoulder, content in the knowledge that we are all for one and one for all. United with ties of brotherhood and solidarity that have been tested in the harshest of circumstances, we take care of our own. The seas are harsh, the elements unforgiving, the enemy always at the frontier, but we, each of us, has the other's back. That's how we make 1.4 billion people feel safe. That's how we maintain search and rescue operations over 4.6 million square kilometers. There is many a fire to be put out, sometimes literally. We could not achieve what we do were we to attempt it in isolation. The coastal community is our ally. The community means everything to us. They are our eyes and ears, and we are their friends and saviors. We guard, we enforce, we rescue, and ultimately, we protect. We protect this land and this nation which we proudly call home. बच के रहना हमसे तस्कर और शिकारी, मीलों लंबी तट और अनंत समुंदर है अपनी जिम्मेदारी। दुर्लभ प्रजातियों की रक्षा, पर्यावरण का ध्यान, इस देश के लिए कर देते हैं एक जमीन आसमान। तैयार, तत्पर, जवाब दे, देश की आन बान और शान। भारतीय तटरक्षक, वयम रक्षाम।